Ang dami nating chika. Pero para mas masaya, para mas marami pa tayong chika, magpapaka-boy abunda kami, Miss Danny.
Eto na.
Let's go.
Yes, magkakaroon tayo ng mga rapid fire.
Let's do
Tatanungin
it.
ka namin
Yung
kung
first question
happiness or chocolate.
Example lang yan.
Baka ma-edit out pag sinabi ko.
Hindi, okay. Sagutin ko yan.
So ngayon, magtatanong kami and ang sasabihin mo lang is, worth it or hindi na worth it.
Okay, na worth it na siya.
Worth it or hindi na worth it?
Yes. So mabilisan lang, walang overthinking.
Okay.
No explanation
Yes,
muna.
mamaya na ang explanation if may gusto kang explain. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, Danny! Worth it bang magdoble kayod para mas gumaling kahit hindi naman lahat nakakakita ng effort mo?
Worth it.
Worth it ba?
Worth it.
I love it. Worth it ba i-distance ang sarili mo sa opinions ng ibang tao?
Worth it times 10.
Worth it bang mag-focus sa self-growth kaysa sa pag-please sa lahat?
Worth it times 20.
Oh my God! Ano marami? Worth it ba mag-invest sa discipline kahit boring at paulit-ulit?
Worth it na worth it.
Worth it bang hayaan ng mga tao na ma-misunderstand ka habang inaayos mo ang sarili mo?
Worth it. Yeah.
6. Next, so worth it bang piliin ang peace of mind over constant validation?
Worth it.
Ayan.
Yes.
Worth it bang magpahinga kahit pakiramdam mo kailangan mo laging may patunayan?
Worth it.
Yeah.
Worth it bang bumuo ng sariling identity outside of your surname or your background?
Worth it.
Worth it bang tanggapin na hindi mo mako-convince ang lahat?
Oy!
Worth it.
Yay! Worth it bang gawing motivation and support ang support ng mga taong naniniwala sa'yo from day
Worth
one?
it. Worth it.
And worth it bang mag-invest sa sarili mo kahit hindi agad visible ang results?
Worth it na worth it.
And the $1 million question is...
Yes, after all the work, all the pressure, all the nights and days
Lahat na.
hours, my God, and all the growing, the question is, worth it ba to invest in yourself and all of this?
Worth it.
Hey!
Let's go.
Another guest na perfect score
Yes.
sa ating rapid fire.
Yes.
Ano yung mga hindi
Worth
worth it?
Ang gandang tanong yan. Ano ang hindi worth
Like
it?
after everything you've been through, syempre, you wouldn't change anything because of where you're at now.
Parang kailangan ng water.
But looking
Na-pressure
back,
siya dun sa question natin.
what
Ano
were
kaya
things
to?
that maybe would have made your life easier if like
Ooh.
binitawan mo na yan? Because you're like, no, hindi to worth it.
Siguro for me.
Kinilangan niya
Hindi,
uminom ng
kasi,
tubig, ano yun?
Siyempre ako, like, growing up, like what I said, I was trying to like avoid, my family, whatever. So I would always seek validation from another person na, alam mo yun, yung parang feeling ko, dapat may mundo kami na kami lang. So, in a sense, like, yung mga love life ko from the past, it's always just like, parang wrong intentions ako. It's always to keep me away from my family in a sense na gusto ko kami lang. Gusto
May
ko,
sariling
gusto ko may
something.
sarili kaming mundo. Gusto ko yung partner na kami lang talaga. When we hang out, kami lang. When,
Bye,
yan, yung parang mag-give ng advice yung parents ko or like, hindi naman siya like bad influence. It's not that. It's more of like, mas nasa
Parang
side niya
makahinga
ako.
ka lang.
Yeah, mas nasa side niya ako. It's always ganun yung hanap ko in a partner. So, always says like, kumbaga, hindi ako kinokontra. So, hindi siya under pero it's more of like, ano yung gusto kong marinig. Yun yung sometimes nasasabi niya. And honestly, like growing up, syempre, mas na-encounter ko yung mga tao na in a sense, gusto ko yung ngayon. Gusto ko yung parang na bibigyan ako ng another perspective about like different things. I really do appreciate, even not just in love life, like even with friends. Parang I like being surrounded with people na are much more successful than me or, dealing with different kinds of like situations in life I'm not familiar with. Kasi I think that's when growth can come into play is when you're in a situation or not even situation, when you're in a room full of people na you're not familiar with but are successful. Kahit hindi sports, kahit anong field yan, basta
Para may matutunan.
Oo, may matutunan ako. Parang I really love putting myself in that room. Kahit I don't feel small, honestly.
That's
I feel like I'm a student learning. Kasi sometimes nagiging yung world natin ngayon, it's very like competitive.
Mhm.
Yung parang kailangan may mas successful, may mas
Ang
angat.
bilis-bilis
Diba?
lahat.
And then,
yeah.
Hindi ka na nagiging happy kung saan ka. Kasi kaka-compare mo sa ibang tao. And like, kahit sa akin, I'm 26, parang may mga batchmates akong kasal na, may mga batchmates akong, ang dami ng businesses, may mga batchmates akong naka-travel na sa ibang like places sa mundo na dream ko. And I'm still here playing volleyball. Parang paminsan parang, hala, I'm still here. But like, meron ba akong kulang na ginagawa? But at the end, parang, no, I'm where I'm supposed to be. I love what I do. And if I have another goal in life, I'm gonna work hard to be able to reach those goals.
Still that same
Diba?
mindset.
It doesn't have to be like, I don't have to like, in a sense, be not jealous, but be a little parang, ala, bakit siya may ganyan ako wala? Yung parang it's always like comparing. Kasi that's when happiness is removed when you start comparing your life to others. So, hindi ka talaga magiging masaya
Yes.
pag ganun ka mag-isip. And
Hindi siya worth it.
Yeah.
Napaisip, okay,
Yun
that's
yung
not
hindi
worth
worth it.
it.
Is if kino-compare mo yung life mo dun sa life ng iba.
And if you close yourself off to other
Yeah.
Hindi
opinions,
siya worth
no?
it.
Oh, what
Hindi
I'm
worth
also curious about, no, is you were born into this industry and that's basically your entire life,
Yeah.
no? Was there ever a moment where you were like, pangarap ko ba talaga to? Or
Yeah.
na-brainwash lang ako ng mga tao around me?
yeah.
Ito lang yung inikutan ko kaya ako siya
For
naging
sure,
pangarap.
yeah. Siguro more on like, hanggang kailan na lang ako dito? Yun yung naging question ko. Diba? Parang, hanggang kailan na lang kaya ako dito? Kasi, masyado na nagsasabi na, di naman ako magaling, di naman ako, alam mo yun, yung parang ang dami mas magaling sa akin. Which is for me, that's true. Like, I honestly think na players are getting stronger and stronger. But, my love for the sport is much stronger and bigger than their opinions.
So that's how you took
So
ownership
that's,
of
so
that.
that's how
Oh.
I wake up every day, motivate myself na I want to be better. It's not because gusto i-prove yung mga tao wrong, but because I know na mahal ko yung ginagawa ko. I do anything to be able to be here still, playing volleyball and doing what I love to do. And kailangan ko talaga na i-prove yan sa sarili ko na gustong-gusto ko, which is again, love for volleyball is always gonna be in my heart. And that's my biggest motivation. It doesn't matter if like 50 people are against me, as long as I have my family and my 10 friends with me cheering me on, that's good enough for me. So,
Yun yung anchor.
And that's nice kasi super naging self-aware din siya through the journey na hanggang
For
sa
sure.
umabot siya sa pagiging pro player. Pero at this point of your life, how do you ground yourself? Especially now na na-acknowledge mo na okay, dapat hindi ako nakikinig sa mga sinasabi sa akin. Especially ng mga taong wala namang idea sa ginagawa ko. Especially sa mga taong hindi naman sila yung pumapalo ng bola.
Hindi naman
Hindi naman kayo yung nag-set.
every
Ba't
day.
yung sa akin pinapaspike? Parang ganon.
every day.
6 a.m. every day gumigising.
Oh gosh.
So how do you ground yourself sa ngayon na ganito na rin yung mindset mo and you know what you know now?
Yeah. First talaga is humility. I feel like my relationship with God, like I'm not the most prayerful person in the room, but I always make sure na even if I'm so, in a sense na parang I'm getting what I've been praying for, yung mga games, I have a good game, or lahat, daming blessings overflowing, I make sure na I'm still grounded by just, praying still. Kasi sometimes, diba, when we ask for something, parang grabe tayo mag-pray. Grabe. Ako, personally, I am that. Parang, Lord, please, sana ganito, sana
Ibigay mo
ganyan,
to.
sana dumami pa yung opportunity, sabi ganyan. And then when I actually get it, parang there are times na,
Okay, next.
okay,
Ganon.
next, diba? Yung parang,
Okay.
another one. Yung parang, I feel like, those things or times na yun, or especially when we're so like blessed and fortunate to be able to do what we do, parang, I take my time now to really be grateful.
Aw.
Yun yung one of the things that my parents would always instill in us is humility and being grateful. Kasi I'm so privileged to be able to be part of the family na I'm in, to be able to be surrounded with people na I admire so much, and to be able to do what I love to do. So, humility and gratefulness talaga, yung all of us in the family, yun yung parang may make sure na we're still, our feet are on the ground, we're still, even if marami nang na-accomplish, it's still not that's still not the time to be like, I'm this person,
Yeah.
I'm so successful, you guys have to listen to me, like
Uh-huh.
yun yung parang i-humble ka talaga, especially with
Mhm.
like, again, with 2 older brothers. Ay, wala ka talagang, bawal magyabang sa bahay na Ravenna, guys, kasi may mas mayabang pa na isa. So, pag nagyabang ako, magyayabang si 30. Pag nagyabang si 30, si Kiefer. So, at the end, parang it's always been like, humble and being grateful.
Gratitude
Yeah.
talaga.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions, worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to follow Worth It Ba for more real stories, honest reflections, and barkada-level real talk about life decisions. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, lahat tayo may decisions na pinagdaanan, and every choice comes with a story. Follow Worth It Ba for more episodes.